Good morning, this is Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. It is actually pre-market right now, about 6 minutes left until the open, and I was planning on doing this video all day. And like a moron, I started trading pre-market here on TNXP, and I don't know why I didn't get the video started then. But I have it started now, and I do have an order out. Will it get filled before the market opens so we can capture a pre-market trade? I don't know. But have 500 shares out there to short at 765. So that is the current order. Like I said, still about 6 minutes until the day opens. I've already been trading this, as you can see here, up just shy of $225 on the day, and the market hasn't technically quote-unquote opened yet. So if it looks like I'll get filled there, because I don't know if I have any videos at all. I mean, I have, what, like 275, maybe even 300 live trade videos. I don't know if any of them have pre-market trading in them. So maybe this will be a first. But the prices first got to get up to that 765. Seems far away. But this thing can move pretty quick, so I want to try to keep it conservative, especially since it is in pre-market. So I will keep you updated. All right, going for the break here of, well, stopped right up there at 63. So let's see if it can get up there or not. All right, I'll pause it. Okay, I moved that order up to 785, and once again, see, this is the tricky part about pre-market. All right, well, I'm not going to let them play these games with me. I'll go up to 795 here. And the market is now officially open. So I am in. We'll look to build bigger. Excellent. That's why I only wanted to start with the good. Looking like I'm going to be able to go even bigger up here. Let's go 45. Let's go 75. So I'll scatter out some orders down there. Only at 1,500 shares still. Would like to pick up a lot more than this. So let's see if it wants to pull back here for me and take me out, or if it's going to let me build some more shares. My current average right now is 822. Looks like that 820 area is relatively, all right, so out of, and let's just start all over again. All right, so I guess I still have the 500 shares at 811. So again, I'll just restart the process over again if it wants to let me. All right, so now at 364. So now what I'm going to do, since it's not pre-market anymore, I'm going to bump up these orders and do 1,000 at 925 if it can get up there. Might bring it back down, but we're still within the first minute of the day, so I want to see how this kind of unfolds. But as you saw, this one can move fast, but given it's a quote-unquote cheaper stock, I need to up my size here, and I'm going to try for 1,000 at 925. So let's see if it can get up there or not. I will keep you posted. Okay, it's up. It's getting close to 9 here. Oh, it got so close. Went up to 924. All right, again, I'm not going to let them sit here and play these games with me, so let's go 949. See if I can get those. Well, in hindsight, I should have just left my order out there, but hey, we're all rich in hindsight, right? All right, I will I'll keep it going now. This is some interesting trading action here. All right, I am now going to pause it since it's back below 9. From watching level 2s, lots of sellers at 915. I'll try to capture it on video, but if it gets back up here to 915 on the offer, if history keeps up like it's been, you'll see it just struggles right there at 915. So that seems to be the key break, although it is now pulling back here. So but I'll try to capture that again if it gets back up there. All right, nearing the break of 9. So like I said, like to try to capture that 9.15 mark, see if we can get a little example of that or not. But now it's struggling to just get back above 9. So, and I know as soon as I pause it, it'll probably go right up there in the perfect example. But I'll give it a few more moments. We're already at 5 minutes. There we go. So let's see 9.15. There's 9.15. See, stop, down, stop. All right, got through it. So that's encouraging. So I do have my next order out at 9.75. So it's still got a little ways to go, but as I've said and as you've seen, this one can move very fast. So, and back below 9 it goes. So I'll keep you updated. Now I have an order in to try to buy the pullback. My shorting order is still out there, but yeah, that's not seeming exactly realistic right now, given how much it's pulled back. In fact, at this point, I might as well just cancel that out of there. But I do have a 500 share order there. Going to start off a little bit smaller, given I'm playing the pullback here. So we'll see if it can get down there or not. I'm not going to make a killing, you know, on it if I just get out. But I would like to get more than 500, but just want to start small. So we'll see if it can break down through that $8 mark or not. Okay, there's the break of 8. Let's see if it can get down there or not. Again, just my initial order. All right, it's looking like it's going to plunge down through there if it breaks. So I'm going to go 751. All right, I will trying to head down there. Let's see if it can make it down there or not. Okay. Keep in mind, I am looking at different things than what you see on the screen. I have multiple monitors with stuff, so keep that in mind. All right, I'm going to pause it. All right, looking to get my first fill here at 685. But I'm really considering canceling this just because this thing is not moving like it was. I mean, you saw at the beginning, and then midway through, and then now, just kind of an irritating mover at this point. So I'm just going to cancel that. I'll keep an eye on it, and if it looks like it wants to start to move a little bit more, then fine. But as it stands right now, this thing has really tightened up quite a bit. Well, it's almost 30 minutes in, and I've been focused on TNXP, so I'm sure I've lost out on maybe other opportunities to trade because I was thinking this one would really stay very volatile, especially with the stocks that have been moving recently. But it hasn't quite formed. Don't get me wrong, I'm not being ungrateful. I mean, I'm very happy to be up $365, in 30 minutes, but more so from a video sake. I mean, I do want to, make it as cool as a video as possible. And I know that the opening part of the video was trades right off the get-go. But since then, it's kind of been just waiting and seeing to get filled on something. So I'd like to try to get one more trade at least. And we're still not at 10 minutes. So I'm doing my best, but I got to walk that fine line of not forcing a trade for the sake of the video. But I am definitely looking, so I'll see what I can do. And this is exactly why I canceled that order. Just, you can see now it's just so slow and barely, I mean, it's moving down, but just in such a slow, methodical way. And that's just not what I'm looking to play. So in other words, in this case, I'm very, in hindsight, I'm very happy with my choice. Although I do have an order entry now, and what I'm looking for is a quick plunge. It's got to be fast. Got to be fast, got to be fast, got to be fast. Excellent. All right. So I was happy with that, and I like that, as a strategy here. So let's see what can happen with it here. But my sell order is at 649. So I got 150 and all out. So there we go. Now, I guess that's a good little plug for my training. If you want to know that setup, that's the little things that are taught within my training courses. But please don't go out there and just start randomly putting in orders like that. Again, I said this once, I'll say it again. There are other things that I'm looking at that you don't see on the screen. But yeah, that's one of my favorite strategies right there and setups. Again, the point of this is not for you to just go out and mimic exactly what I did, because you can get yourself killed. There's certain things that you need to be keeping an eye on. But yeah, that's just one little example of kind of the different things that are taught within the Clay Trader University program. So let's see if I can find one more trade for you. We are at 10 minutes, but from the feedback I get in the comments, it sounds like most of you don't mind the long video, so I'll see if I can still get one more. As many of you know, I like to use this as kind of like a video diary too, and maybe it's just me, but right now I'm looking, okay, I'm up at 484, and I'm like, man, it'd be so nice to just see a $500 there. So now, you know, the voices are creeping in. Just go quick, make a trade that you make, you know, 16 bucks on, and then it's a nice even $500. I don't know if you can relate to that, but if you can, trust me, you're not alone. It's amazing how our minds just like those nice little round numbers like $500. So it's kind of driving me nuts that I'm not happy with 484 because, well, it's not 500, and 500 has such a better ring to it. So there's really no point to that other than if you can relate, then the whole point of this is, yeah, just fight off those voices, because those are the voices that'll lead to you forcing a trade, and you're not alone. So it's not like you're the only, well, maybe I am the only psycho that has, you know, that desire when you see numbers like that. But yeah, right now I really want to just go and make a $16 trade, but would like to try to capture one more. Let's see what happens. Before I forget, the big question I always get with these live trade videos is, hey Clay, how are you finding these stocks that you're trading? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate these stocks, such as TNXP, that I find interesting and think may have profitable potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then go ahead and click right there and I will email you the guide. Good risk versus reward. It'll take you a few minutes to read through it. So that your biggest risk is, you know, wasting a few minutes of your time. But if it really helps you out, well, then I think that's a pretty good reward on the backside. So check that out. Like I said, click right there and I will email it to you. Okay, looking for an entry at 587 here on TNXP again. And nope, didn't fill me there. So we'll give it another try here. All right, quick update. I walked away, played with my daughters for a little bit, and I'm back. And it's 10:51, so still not even 90 minutes into the day. And I will still want to try to capture one more trade because, to be honest, like I said, I haven't even been really focused the past however long that was. But I am back, and I'm getting locked back in. So I'll see if I can find something to trade. So let's see what I can find. All right, I can't find anything. Market has really come to a screeching halt, at least for my strategy. So closing the morning up here at $484, and I'm very pleased with that. A couple things before I go. If you enjoyed the video and want me to keep making them, the easiest way you can communicate that to me is just clicking that like button and subscribing to the channel. You can always leave comments too. If you're interested in trading alongside me and other traders, I do offer a chat room. You can just go to claytrader.com for that. $99 for 12 months of membership, not per month like all these other chat rooms seem to charge. I just throw the price out there to keep the trolls out. It's amazing what charging $99 will do to filter out trolls and stuff like that, and pumpers and all that stuff. So $99, 12 months. If you want to learn how to trade with charts, learn more about the strategies and such, you can also, again, go to claytrader.com, and I offer video training courses on that. So again, please subscribe, please like the video, and as always, I appreciate you as viewers, and I will see you back next week.